First up tonight at 6, coronavirus cases are on the rise in our state.
These are the numbers from the weekend. The state reported another 3,800 cases and 29 deaths over the past 2 days for a daily average of 1,900 cases and 15 deaths. The rate of positive tests remains above 6%. Health officials would like to see it at half that level.
Here's a graph that shows that steady climb. These are new cases and deaths each week in Michigan since the start of August. Last week, 172 people died from coronavirus. Today was a record breaker, and in a bad way, for Spectrum Health.
The hospital system reported its highest number of COVID-19 patients ever, breaking the previous record that we saw this past spring. News 8's Heather Walker is looking at those numbers and sharing the message from Spectrum's president. Heather's live downtown tonight.
Brian and Sue, right now Spectrum has 151 COVID-19 patients. That's an increase of nearly 80% from the last record that took place back in spring.
So this is as serious as it has been for West Michigan, period.
The president of West Michigan's largest health system, Daryl Almucci, is very concerned.
I would say that right now we're standing on the edge of a cliff, and we could, if everyone does the right thing and we get a little lucky over the coming days, 2 weeks, we could be able to walk back and not see these COVID numbers exponentially rise.
The numbers are climbing. Take a look at the COVID-19 patients within Spectrum hospitals over the past 6 weeks. That's a jump of 120 more patients.
Quite honestly, with people being very tired of masking, social distancing, and so forth, and these numbers, there is a possibility we'll see a lot of COVID.
Looking at the positivity rate, it's likely that West Michigan will. Right now, the rate is close to 6% for all COVID tests taken. That's about double what health experts would like.
The worry you see when you've looked at other places is that precedes really a lot of hospitalizations by a couple of weeks. So our big concern is what happens next week and the week after.
Spectrum Health has nearly 2,000 beds across all of its 14 hospitals. The hospitals are not full. However, this time of year, there is an increase of patients because of flu and other surgeries and procedures that were pushed off back in the spring. That, added to COVID patients, could push them to capacity.
If you're smart, if we're all smart, we're hoping that we can stave this off.
And that means washing your hands, wearing a mask, keeping your social distance, and avoiding any large gatherings. Reporting live in downtown Grand Rapids, Heather Walker, News 8.